Withdrawing money from your Weebly account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your funds easily. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Go to the Weebly website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the store settings. Once logged in, click on the store option in the left-hand menu. From there, select settings to access your store settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. In the settings menu, find and click on payments. This section will show you the payment processors linked to your account. Step 4. Choose your payment processor and select the payment processor you are using, such as PayPal or Square. Follow the prompts to ensure your account is properly linked for withdrawals. Step 5. Initiate a withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from Weebly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Weebly support for assistance.